Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to discuss about some very good stocks for swing trading that you guys can take tomorrow. And if you guys like the video, please like and share, subscribe the channel. And if you guys want regular updates on investment and stock market, please check out our Telegram channel. Leave the link in the description below. Let's start with the answer Bank Nifty, guys, and let's go 15 minutes time frame. And if you guys know, as you guys know that in my past video I told the Bank Nifty has resistance in this range and it can face resistance here. So what the Bank Nifty did today is it opened gap up and it faced resistance and it closed below 36,700. So this is the analysis that we made in the previous video, right? So let's see what the Bank Nifty can do tomorrow. So the Bank Nifty at the later phase of the market, it went sideways. So if the Bank Nifty makes a green candle over here at 15 minutes time frame, you can expect the Bank Nifty crossing this resistance because it has been tested multiple times, and we can see the Bank Nifty reaching the range of 36,800 to 36,850. The Bank Nifty in 15 minutes time frame made a red candle. We can see the Bank Nifty can reaching 36,400 to 36,350. Okay, and that's all for the analysis of Bank Nifty, guys. Let's go for the stocks. And the first stock is State Bank of India. And you guys know that I keep on always telling in my videos that this kind of pattern will give very huge momentum in the future. So if you go for the 2 hours time frame, after consolidation, it has made multiple breakouts, but it has been failed. So it's now again trying. So you guys can go along on this stock having SL here, which should be 427, because below this level the stock will become weaker and we can sell here. So below this you can have your SL, and the target for the stock will be 448. And the second stock is Glenmark. So as you guys can see, after taking support, the stock is trying for a reversal, making a W pattern. So we will be having a very good RR ratio here. So you guys can go along here having SL at 516.55. The minimum target for the stock will be 560. And the next stock is Jindal Steel and Power Limited. So even the Jindal Steel has made a pattern like SBI, and it has also made this pattern after I consider like consistent fall and after reversal by making a W pattern. So we can expect the Jindal to give a huge momentum. So we can have SL below. Let's go for lower time frames so that we can know our SL. So you guys can have an SL below here, which will be 394.50. The target for the stock will be 420. The next stock is Mahanagar Gas Limited, and if you guys can see here, the stock is facing resistance here, which already has been tested 1 time, 2, 3 and 4 times, and now it is in consolidation here. After reversal, it has also made a inside candle which can give a huge momentum. So we can expect a huge momentum here. So you guys can go along here having SL at 1170. So the minimum target for the stock will be 1240. Okay, and thank you guys for watching. That's all for today. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you so much.